I used to think the only way to earn more was to work more, clocking in, clocking out, trading hours for money. Like most people, I was stuck in that loop. But then, one evening, lying in bed after a long shift, I asked myself something simple, yet powerful. What if money could work for me, instead of me always working for money? That question changed everything. See, passive income isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to breathe, to rest, to choose, and the best part, you don't need to quit your job. You don't need millions, you just need to start smart. Let me show you what I learned, and how people like me, like you, are doing it. There's this girl, Sarah, graphic designer by day, tired, burned out by night. She poured her weekends into creating a simple PDF guide on Instagram templates, uploaded it on Gumroad. No big launch, no paid ads. First month, 17 sales. 6 months later, she was waking up to daily emails. You've made a sale. That ebook now earns her more than her old job ever did. She made something once and it kept working. Now think about that. How many things have you learned, struggled through, figured out? Turn that into something digital. A guide, a checklist, a mini course. There's someone out there who'd pay to skip the struggle you went through. Then there's Jake, a nurse working night shifts. He started a tiny YouTube channel, nothing fancy, just videos reviewing tech gear he used to stay sane during those long nights. Under each video, he added little Amazon links, affiliate links. He didn't think much of it until the checks started coming in. First $100, then $500. Last I checked, Jake's making over $3,000 a month, just from people clicking those links and buying stuff they already needed. He's not a salesman, he's just honest. And that honesty, that's what works. Real people trust real people. You don't need a huge following, just recommend stuff you already love and get rewarded for it. But maybe you're thinking, I don't have anything to sell. I don't have a channel. Fair. So let me tell you about Alex. Alex didn't own a house. In fact, he rented a small 2-bedroom apartment, but he saw something others didn't, tourists. So he talked to his landlord, got the green light, furnished one room, listed it on Airbnb. That first weekend, booked solid. By the end of the year, after some learning, some sweat, some mistakes, he made $18,000 from a place he didn't even own. This model's called rental arbitrage. It's not magic. It's just seeing opportunity where others see limits. And it's not just homes. Got an empty garage? Rent it out for storage. Got a car? Put it on Turo. Got camera gear gathering dust? Someone out there wants to borrow it. You already have more than you think. Now, let's talk about money that grows itself. Carla started small. Just $250 a month into dividend stocks. Companies that literally pay you just for holding their shares. No trading, no stress. Every 3 months, a small deposit landed in her account. At first, it was just gas money, but after a few years, it covered groceries. And one day, it'll cover rent. Because when you reinvest those dividends, they grow. And grow. Slowly, silently, steadily. Most people ignore this. They chase fast money and burn out. But Carla? She planted seeds and let time do the heavy lifting. Now this one's my favorite. You're watching a video right now, but what if you could run a channel without ever showing your face? Mike did exactly that. Picked a niche, personal finance, outsourced scripts, used ElevenLabs for voice, hired an editor. His job? Strategy. Now, his faceless channel pulls in thousands every month. The best part? He's not glued to the camera. He's not even in the videos. You can do it too. You don't need to be a star, you just need a system. Write a script, record a clean voiceover, or let AI do it, like ElevenLabs. Find royalty-free clips, put it all together, rinse, repeat, and watch the snowball grow. Let me tell you about Sophia. She was smart, didn't want to deal with the headache of traditional dropshipping. So she did something different. She picked just one product, eco-friendly yoga gear from a US supplier, built a clean website, used TikTok to drive traffic, and she automated everything else. Now, even while she's asleep, orders come in, they're fulfilled, and customers are happy. Not flashy, but consistent and quietly profitable. She didn't try to do everything. She focused on one thing and did it well. Last one, and maybe the most powerful of all. Daniel was an IT guy by day, musician by heart. He uploaded a few original background tracks to royalty-free platforms. At first, he made pennies, then dollars. Now, he earns over $1,000 a month for songs he made 2 years ago. Create once, get paid forever. And this doesn't just apply to music. Photos, fonts, stock videos, ebooks, even AI voices you train, they can all bring in royalty income long after the work is done. It's like leaving little pieces of yourself all over the internet and letting them work for you. So, let me ask you something. What's one thing you could start this week that your future self will thank you for? Because passive income isn't truly passive at the beginning. It takes effort, learning, maybe even failure. But once it's built, you're free. Free from the cycle. Free from the panic of, what if I lose my job? Free to spend your time where it matters most. Start small, pick one idea, and take the first step this week. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. And hey, if this made you think differently, if even one part sparked an idea, like the video, drop a comment, tell me which one you're starting. And if you want more ways to escape the 9-to-5 trap, hit subscribe. This is Simplify Actually, where we don't just dream about freedom, we break it down and we build it together.